Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. So today, you guys, let me give you the rundown of what we're doing today. First, we're gonna go shopping. What we're shopping for is some essentials that she'll need for college because she's gonna be starting classes back on Monday, right? She's starting classes back on Monday. She's gonna be moving some of her stuff back into her apartment today. And so we're gonna be shopping for that. Also, there's a recipe that my husband had given to me that he wants me to make for him. It's a chicken spinach soup. I think that's the name of it, but I'll show you guys later in the video what it is. So I got to get the ingredients for that. Also, I need to clean my dishwasher. Since baby girl has been home, it has been really put to use. So that needs to be deep cleaned. So yeah, you guys, that's really all that I have going on today. Besides the normal cleaning of my home, I got to do that and wash laundry, but you guys seen me do that before. But I definitely want to clean my dishwasher. And this will be the first time I've ever done that. I've had it for about a year, I think, and it hasn't been deep cleaned because I didn't really know, to be honest, that you deep clean your dishwasher. And I don't know why I didn't know that, but
just now started using it.
Yeah, really started using it. But anyway, it needs to be deep cleaned. So yeah, you guys, we're getting ready to go shopping, but first we're gonna go and get something to eat. I haven't had breakfast this morning and it's almost 10 o'clock. Well, you might as well say it's 10 o'clock, it's 9:59. So you guys, let's go get something to eat and then we're going shopping.
Y'all should think this is a game. She really think this is a game because, as y'all saw, she see me over here putting this stuff in the car, knowing it's cold, knowing that lately we've been trying to think that I'm anemic, and she over here just sitting there recording. Baby, the recording is enough. Get in the car and heat it up. It's freezing out here.
Oh God, y'all, that's so funny. My baby act like it is below zero out here.
That's what it feel like.
She's like, Mama, I know why I'm recording her putting the bags in the car. I'm just killing myself laughing because I know she gonna be
It's 40 degrees in here. And she just watch. She just, you know, just like this. She just like this whole time, knowing good and well she could probably help out a bit, get like a little bag or two, or get in the car and heat it up.
Well, you're in the car now. We warm. We're gonna go to the house. We'll see y'all when we get home.
I ain't got nothing to say to this camera no more.
Okay guys, real quickly, I'm gonna give you a Walmart haul. First, I'm gonna give you a haul of the items that my daughter chose to purchase so she could take back to school with her. So she got 2 bags of Ruffles Flamin' Hot Cheddar chips. She also got the Hot Pockets pepperoni and pizza flavor. She got some Jimmy Dean maple biscuit roll-ups. She got 2 boxes of those. She got the Ocean Spray white cran strawberry juice and the Great Value white cranberry peach. She also got some Listerine, some Lysol laundry sanitizer, and the Dove Restoring Body Wash. So let me show you guys the items that I purchased that we're going to be using here at the house. Oh, you guys, and I forgot. And she got some Gatorade and water. I forgot those items here. Okay guys, continue on with the grocery or the Walmart haul, but this right here, we did stop at Hollywood Feed, so I did not vlog that. So we got Pika some Primo freeze dried nuggets. She loves these things. Now this is what I give her when I run out of the dog food that I make for her. Also, we got her some new treats. So we got her some tender rolls. This is the soft and savory treats for dogs. It is the
bacon and cheddar and
rolly flavor. So it's kind of like what do you call it? It's kind of like the pepperoni, I guess, treat for dogs. We also got her some chicken hearts. Now she loves these chicken hearts, you guys. So let's go on over here to the Walmart haul. We got some baby spinach, some golden potatoes, carrots. We got 3 bananas. My husband, ever since I made the banana bread, he has fallen in love with it, and he made a point to let me know I need to make some more. So we got 3 bananas. We got some chicken breast. Now I had mentioned to you guys earlier that I'm gonna make this soup that he gave me a recipe for, so I'll share that with you. Also, we got an onion. We needed some more vanilla extract. We got that. We got some heavy whipping cream. We got some chicken stock. Also, we got some blueberries. I'm gonna make some blueberry muffins as well. And we got some antibacterial soap. So yeah, you guys, this is our mini haul from Walmart. So you guys, here are the pecans I was telling you about. My husband's friend gave him a lot of pecans, and since I put pecans in the banana bread, he got them, and last night he sat on the couch and cracked some of the pecans. So he's already done this to help prep for that. So the only thing I need to do is chop them up really fine in order to put them in the bread. Now he said this was a hint for me to go on ahead and make some more banana bread. So yeah, you guys, these are the pecans that he cracked for me. So I will make him some banana bread tonight. Okay, so we're getting ready to make this creamy chicken and spinach soup. Now this is the booklet that my husband saw this recipe. In order to get the recipe, if you guys are interested, please scan the barcode here, and it'll download to your phone the recipe to make this. So this is it looks very good, y'all. This is the creamy chicken and spinach soup. Now I'm going to show you the ingredients needed to make this dish. Okay, in order to make this dish, you will need the following ingredients. You will need heavy whipping cream, chicken stock, minced garlic, salt, ground thyme, pepper, olive oil, spinach, all-purpose flour, gold potatoes, the small ones, 4 large carrots, 1 medium onion, and in this bowl, you guys, is chicken. Now they didn't say in the recipe to season your chicken. This recipe calls for an Instapot. I'm not going to use an Instapot. I'm going to tweak this to make this dish my own. So in this bowl, I have the chicken marinated in seasoning. So I'm going to fry up the chicken, then I'm going to get ready to start making the soup. So you guys, let's get started. So when I come across recipes, I always try to tweak them to make them my own. So it didn't say anything about, like I just mentioned, seasoning your chicken and frying it. So that's what I'm gonna do first. I'm gonna do that. And then later on, I'm gonna add the chicken to the soup. So you'll see that because the chicken needs to be shredded. But I'm gonna also let the chicken cook inside the soup according to how the directions state. But I'm not gonna do any of this in the Instapot. I'm gonna cook this on my stove. So you guys, like I said, let's get started. Okay guys, as you can see, there's hubby. This is the recipe that he wanted me to make, so he's doing a taste test of it. Now this is the first time I've ever made it, and this is the first time he's ever heard of this soup. So what do you think?
It's good. You did good.
It's good?
You probably found a recipe though, but you didn't.
No, I didn't.
It's good.
It's good.
I think missing something.
I don't know what is missing, but I put everything in.
I want the soup.
Huh?
One of the early soup.
Okay, y'all, what he's talking about the white chicken chili I made a few vlogs ago. And that's what he was hoping that it would taste like. But this is a totally different soup.
Totally different, but it's still good.
Yeah, it was supposed to be cooked in a
Pot.
Instapot.
Same thing.
It was supposed no, Instapot is different from a crock pot. It was supposed to be cooked in the Instapot, but I chose to cook it on the stove. And the other thing is, I seasoned the chicken and fried it first before I put it in the pot. They didn't recommend that. So I changed up the recipe a little bit and made it my own. It must be good, y'all, because he's still eating it.
Good.
Okay, you guys, so we're getting ready to deep clean my dishwasher. But before we do that, if you would like the recipe to that soup, I will have the barcode on the screen here for you to scan so you can get that recipe. So now what we're gonna do is deep clean the dishwasher, but first we need to make some water in the sink because I need to take out the filter that's in the dishwasher so it can be cleaned. Y'all, I thought I was recording when I was making the water to clean the filter that's in the dishwasher. So what you will need to do is get some warm water, use Dawn dishwashing liquid, and a little bit of the distilled vinegar in the water to sanitize and clean the filter out. So let's take out the filter out of the dishwasher and get it cleaned and sanitized. Sorry about the lighting, but you see this right here, this is the filter. So what we need to do is take this out. We gotta turn it. Oh my God, y'all, look at how dirty that is. Oh, that is dirty. So we need to get that clean. So we're gonna put this in the water here so it can soak, and we're gonna get that cleaned. Also, we need to remove this right here. This also needs to be cleaned. Look at that, all of that stuff that's under there. Wow. So yeah, you guys, clean your dishwasher, because this is all the food and gunk. Even though you rinse your dishes before you put them in the dishwasher, there's still food and gunk on it. So you need to deep clean your dishwasher. And I'm ashamed that it has gotten this bad. So let's get started on cleaning this thing. Okay, you guys, you see how bad my dishwasher is? See, it has those little rings and things, and you see all of that gunk and stuff. Let me see if I can get in a better angle. Okay, you guys, you see all of the gunk and everything that's in my dishwasher after I've taken the filter out. And like here, it looks like rust, but it's not. Also, I gotta take this off to clean it. So what I'm going to show you the products that I'm going to be using to clean out my dishwasher. So let me share that with you. So the products that I'll be using to clean my dishwasher is fresh. Now you can put this in your dishwasher like you're putting your pods or whatever that you use to clean your dishes. You can put that in the little pocket there for your dishwasher. Also, you drop one in the bottom of your dishwasher. Also, I'm going to spray down the inside and wipe it down with a cloth with the Method, and also this Dawn Power Wash. So I'm going to use these two products to hand clean. Then I'm going to go behind it and use the Fresh to really deep clean and sanitize the dishwasher. So let's get started. Now you guys see the difference that it made after I used the Dawn Power Wash. Like I said, I'm still gonna go behind that with the method. So let me get on the inside of there, you guys, and wipe that down. But first, let me take this off because that filter right there needs to be cleaned as well. So what I did was I used a spoon to take this off. See all of that? That needs to be cleaned also. So I'm gonna put that in the water with the filter. Okay guys, as you can see, I have thoroughly cleaned the inside of this. So now we're gonna do some more deep cleaning. I was gonna use method because I thought it was gonna be tough to clean this out with just the Dawn Power Wash, but the Dawn Power Wash did its job. So now we're gonna use the Fresh Pods to clean the rest of the dishwasher. We're gonna let it run its cycle, and then we'll see how well it deep cleans the dishwasher. Now before we use the pods to clean the dishwasher, we're gonna clean the filter out because that is gonna go inside the dishwasher as well to deep clean it. So let me clean that, and then we're gonna put that in there to get that clean as well. Okay guys, so we're gonna take one step further in disinfecting and cleaning my dishwasher. So we're gonna take 1 cup of distilled vinegar and place it in the dishwasher with the dishwasher pod to help clean and disinfect my dishwasher. Okay guys, now that the cycle is done, now we can put the filter back in and everything will be done. As you can see, it is very clean. Sorry about the lighting, but as you can see, it is very clean, especially way better than it was before. So now the only thing we have to do is put the filter back and the other little thing that was on top of that. I don't know what it's called, but the little tray that was on there, and then the filter, and then it's all done. Finally got this in. I was having problems putting it in. So now we're gonna get the filter and put it in. As you can see, it is very clean. It looks brand new. Got it all clean. So we're gonna pop it back in here. Let's see. I think that's how it goes. Yep, there it goes. And so yeah, you guys, that's how you will clean. Let's put this back. This goes right here. And so yeah, you guys, that's how you deep clean your dishwasher. Okay, you guys, I'm going to end the video here. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.